Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a bubble bath demo for you guys. Today's bubble bath demo is by Bird Bath & Body and the scent is Purple Hooters. Now it does look a little bit funny on camera, it kind of settles as a brown, but as you can see from the foam here, the water is going to be purple. So now without further ado, I'm just going to move on with the demo. As you guys can see, the bubble bath did create quite a lot of bubbles. They're very stiff and firm bubbles, and our bath water is a stunning light purple color. Now, as the dye is water soluble, this will not stain the bathtub, and it smells absolutely incredible. I have no further words to say about that. So if you guys are interested in seeing more demos and reviews of Bird Bath & Body products, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.